You lost money, you lost respect, you lost people. You're at the bottom, alone, forgotten. But loss doesn't destroy a man, staying down does. The greatest men in history, they were forged in failure, hammered by loss, cooled by sweat and tears. They used loss as fuel. Today I'm not here to comfort you. I'm here to hand you the hammer and show you the fire. 7 Stoic lessons for the most savage comeback of your life. This isn't motivation. This is rebuilding. If you're ready to stop being a victim and start being a weapon, you're in the right place. Subscribe to AREV. This channel builds mentally unbreakable men. Let's get to work. The first step, accept your loss. Complaining is useless. Crying won't bring back money or respect. A true Stoic faces pain head-on. No drama, no lies. Brutal acceptance is your declaration of war against weakness. Which side are you on, victim or dangerous man? Failure is an event, not your identity. The Stoics never tied self-worth to results, only to character and effort. Money, status, people, they come and go. Your discipline and values are yours alone. Remember, a loss is just a moment, not a definition. Get up and fight again. Loss isn't punishment, it's training. Seneca said, difficulties strengthen the mind. Every setback is a rep. Ask, what is this teaching me? That shift turns defeat into resilience. Emotion digs the hole deeper. The Stoic comeback is built on ruthless logic. Pause, breathe, write down what went wrong and what you'll change. A calm mind creates a clear strategy. Discipline, not emotion, rebuilds empires. Don't announce your comeback. Disappear. Work in silence. While others talk, you train, study, and sharpen your blade. Let your results speak. The world will notice the change, not your words. Silence is Stoic power. Epictetus taught, some things are in your control, others aren't. Let go of what you can't change. Focus on your effort, discipline, and daily actions. A Stoic comeback is built one controlled day at a time. Discipline, not motivation, builds your new reality. Don't run from pain. Use it. Pain is fuel. Loss humbles and sharpens you, stripping away illusions. Rise from the ashes wiser, calmer, deadlier. Pain isn't your enemy. It's your creator. You're still standing, bruised maybe, but not finished. This is your forging, the fire, the hammer, the making of a new man. The past is dead. The future is unwritten. Only the next step matters. Here, we rebuild men from the ground up. Subscribe to AREV. We don't motivate, we rebuild. This is your path. It's hard, it's lonely, but you're not alone. Click the next video. Stay hard.